Hello everyone. Alright, in today's video we are going to be going over a old brochure. This is from July of 1974, so probably for the 1975 model year. This is for this Ford C-Series. It's a Cabover medium duty truck, as you can see. So we're just going to go over this brochure. Overall, it's got really good illustrations. Kind of do a flyover here. Nice full color photography here. This highlights all the cab. So this would be the custom cab interior here. It has the full bench seat with the looks to be like comfort weave and lap belts for 3 passengers. There's the tilt cab, electro dipping for the rust proofing. It also looks like you can get a sleeper configuration. And here is a layout of the platform, the frame. Pretty sturdy, fully boxed frame, it looks like, or at least C-channels with a bunch of different cross sections. Dual rear wheels, of course, front engine rear wheel drive, and of course here are all the capacities. And here is the back. Of course, we also have the F series, the L line, and the W series. The F series and the W series we'll be covering in the near future. Alright, so there we go. That is the brochure tour of the 1974-1975 Ford C-Series tilt cab medium duty truck. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.